I made these gift cards for my mom last year. So, or I would say gift tags to go on the presents. She really liked them a lot. And I had made them with, paper and Sharpie markers, and she hung them in the window and they became washed out. So this year I'm making them with Sharpie markers as an outline. So this is like a plastic material that's more durable than the other material. That's how I start. And then I am going to use Posca markers, which are paint markers. Let's do, this is a light yellow. Or it's called light yellow on the website, but it's sunshine yellow. I'm gonna fill in these. Oops, I made a mistake, but I'll just fix that because these just paint over each other. I'm gonna make an outline around the stars. Posca markers are a little bit tricky. They can leak out a lot of paint. So basically you get them started by pushing down on the head. And then after that, the paint flows and I don't need to push down on them anymore after that. And then I'm just going to use a slightly different yellow for the inside of the stars. This is yellow, simply called yellow. And this yellow I made a mistake on and just mix in. I'm going to cover up a little bit of the black. So when I finish, I will let this dry and then I will redraw the black. The reason why I'm using the Sharpie is because the Sharpie does not blend at all with the Posca paint. And that keeps it so that the black is there, and then it will dry and I will redraw the black. I could avoid that. I could avoid having to redraw the black by simply drawing these originals with the colors, but I'm fine with redrawing the black. It's fast and it looks fine. And I'll show you how I do that in a minute. So I don't really worry too much about covering some of the black. And I guess you could also leave the black being partly covered by the paint. Oh, and this, I forgot to tell you my colors here. Okay, the purple was lavender. So it's like a light purple. And then this is light blue. Azul. Once again, the black is basically just a guide for me. I'm gonna leave part of this unblended for the moment. And then what I will do is I will blend this together. There we have that. then I'm going to come back in with another permanent marker. This won't react with the paint. I'm going to turn this because it's easier for me to do it. And make some shadows. For these fat letters, the shadows are the thing that I think makes them fun, pop out. So we have that. I'm going to put this on a piece of paper, and I'm going to make my, now see I have a little bit of purple in there. I'm going to clean it out just a little bit. So we're back to blue. And while we're at it, I'll just say I have the best mom in the universe. The best mom in the entire universe, absolutely. And I'm using light blue again to make this outline. I think that you don't have to do this outline, but it makes it nice. So now I'm going to take this and just let it dry. And I'll show you me filling in the black on another one. Let me take this out. Redrawing the black. Sharpen it up a little bit. Like I said, you don't necessarily need to do this, but it makes it cleaned up, and it doesn't take that long. There it is. Just fix that a little bit more. Okay. And then after this, I would just cut off the edge. So we only have the blue. And this is dried. This takes a few, these markers take a few minutes to dry, so you should let everything dry before you do this so you don't smear everything everywhere. Oops. There we go. Gift tag for the best mom in the universe. Have an awesome day.